everyone, we're going to solve each equation and check our solutions. This is we're going to use the distributive property of arithmetic. We're also going to be using properties of equality. And these are the three problems we're going to do. So we'll start with the first one. We have -4 times the quantity of 2 plus 5a. So we're going to use the distributive property of arithmetic and multiply like this. All right. So -4 times 2 is -8. And -4 times positive 5a is -20a. All right. Now we're going to use our property of addition for equality and add 8 to both sides. So we get 0 minus 20a equals 40. And then our 0 property means this is just going to be -20a, 0 property of addition, and equals 40. Then we're going to use our division property of equality to divide both sides by -20. You can divide both sides by -20. And this is going to give you 1 times a, which is a, equals -2. So our solution set is -2. Now we're going to use substitution property of equality to check our solution. So let's just plug in -2 into this a. So we're going to copy down this, but substitute. So we have -4 times 2 plus 5, and our a happens to be -2. And we're going to see, does that equal 32? So -4, now let's take care of this quantity here. So this is going to be 2, and 5 times -2, or a positive 5 times -2 is -10. And so it's going to give you -4. 2 minus 10 is -8. So -4 times -8 is 32. So we get 32 does equal 32. So our solution is -2. Okay, the next one is this one. For this one, just remember, when you have a negative out here, that's like saying -1. They just don't put the 1. It's a little redundant when you do that. So let's just use that. -1 times -5 is 5. We're using our distributive property. -1 times positive 2x is -2x. All right, and then you copy down everything. Now we're going to use our subtraction property of equality. So we get 0 minus 2x equals, what is this, -18. And our 0 property of arithmetic states this is just -2x. And then divide both sides using our division property. Divide both sides by -2. So you get x equals 9. So if we did it right, our solution is 9. Now to check, we're going to substitute that back in to our original equation. So -5, let me erase that. All right, so -5 plus 2 times 9. Does that equal -13? So let's take care of this inner quantity here. -5 plus 18. Does that equal -13? So -5 plus 18 is 13. And that's like -1. So we do have -13 equals -13. Excuse me. So our solution is 9. And the last one is this one. So we use our distributive property of arithmetic again. So you get 10n minus 15 equals negative 30. Use your addition property of equality. Oh, goodness. So this one's going to be 10n plus 0 equals negative 15. And then we're going to use our 0 property, get rid of that 0, our 0 property of addition. Divide both sides by 10, use your division property, so you're going to get n equals negative 15 over 10. We can reduce that. I don't know if I want to. Let's just leave it like that for now. But the reduction would be, if you divide both sides by, both the numerator and denominator by 5, you'd get 3/2. So let's just reduce that. All right, now to check our solution, we're going to plug this in. So you have 5 times 2, negative 3/2, minus 3. Does that equal negative 30? So taking care of this little bit, if you put this 2 in fraction form, these 2's cancel. Because 2 divided by 2 is 1. So 1 times negative 3 is negative 3. Again, we're checking to see if it works. And let's see, this is negative 6. So you have 5 times negative 6. Does that equal negative 30? Yes, because that is negative 30. So you have negative 30 equals negative 30. So that checks. So this is your solution. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.